Good morning and welcome to another video. Today is the day that the new project car for the channel arrives. It's on its way here now. Yes, I'm getting it delivered. It's on its way here now. So in YouTube time, I can click my fingers and the car will be here. So in this video, you're going to see the new project car I'll be building for the channel. Bear in mind, when it gets here and I'll show you it, it's going to be a box standard version of the car. I'm going to cut, chop, I'm talking flared wheel arches. I don't even know what I'm going to do, right? But it's going to be good. And it's going to be built on the channel over the next few months, weeks, years, whatever. So, bear with me. Here's the credits. And when I see you again in a minute, the car will be here. Well, here it is, Volkswagen Polo Breadvan. Very early. Volkswagen Polo Breadvan. Look how clean this is. It's had all welding done on it. It's all been done. It's got primer on the seals. It's had all new seals done. All the welding on this whole vehicle has been done already. A kid built it with his dad. They've done all the work. It's had pretty much everything done to it. He's even taken interiors out of other ones and built a whole brand new interior that's mint. This thing, right, look how clean this is. Look how clean this interior. A little bit of stain in there, but I can get that out. But look how clean this interior is. It's a bit filthy in places, but it just needs a wash. There's no rust. It's 94,000 miles on the clock. It even comes with a boot full of spare parts. Box of spares, got a new alternator. Lots of stuff going on in here. So yeah, this is not actually rust, that's just, it's solid as a rock. So this is the new car for the channel. It's very clean. I wanted the early one. I had to get the early one with the round front headlights on it. Very clean car. It's even had welding done down on the bottom here in this corner. He had welding done there and primered. All the seals have been done. Wheel arches have been done. All the bottom of this car has been done. It is mint bodywork wise, just needs a paint job I reckon. But this is the vehicle I will be building. I'm talking like probably maybe I might even cut it along there, pull this wheel arch out. I might even put big round wheel arches in. Don't really know what I'm doing with it yet, but it will be customized. As you can see, I like to customize stuff, so this will be getting the same treatment. There's the engine, painted like God knows. But yeah, there we have it. Here's the engine, no crash damage. That's new apparently. Got a new battery on it. It's had all new plugs. Apparently it's been completely gone over. New, I think these are a chain, or I don't know if they're a chain or what, but let's have a listen to see how it sounds. Let's start this up and see how it sounds. Apparently this engine is sweet as a nut. Oh my god, first turn of the key. Yes, that sounds sweet. That sounds sweet. So, there we have it, people. This is the car I will be building on the channel. Let's have a look at the back seats. I keep jumping ahead of myself. Let's have a look on the back seats. Why is the parcel shelf not in? Oh look, look at these seats. Look how retro these seats are. That's crazy. So yeah, this is the car I'm going to be building on the channel. I'm about to go and finish clearing my workshop out. Let's have another listen. Yep. Right. That's it. I'm going to go clean my workshop out. Put the car in the workshop. There we have it, people. That is the car I'm building on the channel. So get ready for videos of what I'm going to do to it. Watch this space, people. Watch this space. But before you go, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I don't even care if you like, please subscribe, right? It helps me out. It gets you to watch all the content that I'm doing. It's totally free. Go and subscribe to my channel. It helps me out. I know 90% of the people that watch my videos don't subscribe, and that's normal for YouTube videos apparently, but please can you go subscribe? It helps me out. Thank you.